Every time I walk past, I think someone's in here. The warmest heater vent in the house is in the bathroom, so I'm in the bathroom, standing on a heater vent. We just got back from church. Mr. Hoellein is tying his apron.
This thing is ice cold on my truck.
Well, we are going to take our family picture later. We also have a meeting later, and so we're just gonna stay in our church clothes. Joel's getting his apron on. Welcome to my bathroom, everyone. I have stuff everywhere. That towel is filthy. It's fine. Hey guys. Hi. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. 20! Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20, guys. Just hanging out? Okay. Joel is getting our dinner starting, because these have to cook for quite a while, yeah?
Yeah, a couple hours.
Couple hours. So we're gonna start that for dinner.
Ossobuco.
Is that what you're making?
Yes.
Okay. Whew. Olivia's chopped. Do you need a bigger bowl? Yes. I think you need a bigger bowl. And I am making mac and cheese because right now everyone is starving and
Need something.
yeah, we need something.
Don't mind us, just trying to get some family photos. Everybody ditched Olivia because she's in high heels. Oh, okay, my shoes are so slippery too. You're holding up the show, Olivia. Let's go. Okay, can you make it that way? Go that way? Okay. It's not cold out here, it's just brisk.
It's cold.
You look pretty, let's go.
Of course you do.
Hey, Tito, you, back over there by mom, go. Go stand by mom, go. Hey, watch the snowboarder.
I just took off the lipstick.
No, that's like what I'm recording actually is Olivia and I are like
I took it all the way off and it stained my lips.
we both are like, hallelujah, church is over, pictures are over, and meetings are over, and so we just want to put our sweats on, take our lipstick off, and relax. Yeah? Put my hair out of my face. Yes, we are gonna go build gingerbread houses. Thanks for doing dinner.
Yeah.
The house smells, okay, go put that in the sink so that I don't mistakenly use that. That's, had ladies water in it. Okay, Code, you grab the other end of the table and we'll get this set up and ready to do gingerbread houses. Pull the chair out first. There you go. Ooh. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's probably good. Just put these things over here, yeah? You grab the other one. Grab the other candle. Blossom, will you grab those berries? Blossom, you can go put that over by the other stuff. You know what I think is fun is you each have your own, so no one's gonna fight over the icing. How have we done it in the past?
We just got I think we got like one icing or something like that. I don't even know how that happened.
I don't know how we've done it in the past.
We bought the boxes that came with like 4 in it and 1 bag
Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay, let's put this away, Lincoln.
I'm just looking for a jack-o'-lantern.
Let's try that one more time.
Yes, Mom, can I,
Hey, wait,
show you something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, massage it. Ooh, that's kind of yucky looking. These are cute though.
Yeah, one time we were at Grandma's house and I was kind of weird, but I ate one of these because I put so much frosting over it and just like,
How is that weird? That's not weird, that's awesome.
Santa's little helpers, we make the wheels go round. Day and night, night and day, here in Christmas Town. We're Santa's little helpers, and it's us you wanna know. If you want a date under the mistletoe. We're Santa's little helpers, and we make all the toys. The trinkets for the girls and the trucks for the boys. We're Santa's little helpers, and we know every trick, 'cause we wrote blessed look on old Saint Nick. It's a foggy Christmas night. So Rudolph, shine your light. Santa's little helper. Santa's little helper. Some might call us elves, but Santa's little helpers is what we call ourselves. We're Santa's little helpers, and if you want to know, there's nowhere else on earth that we would rather go. Santa's little helpers, Santa's little helpers. We're Santa's little helpers, and it's us you want to know. If you want a date under the mistletoe, if you want to kiss under the mistletoe.
This is Olivia's. This one's Lincoln's. This one's Cody's.
I'm gonna pat mine down.
Joel, that looks delicious. Brussels sprouts. We're gonna see if these taste good.
I love Brussels sprouts.
I like Brussels sprouts when I don't make them. I don't know how to make them good.
No, I think, well, salsa and chicken in a crock pot's a bad recipe, but I think this will be okay.
All right,
Mom, put your phone gloves in.
I will help you.
Outside with my coat.
You don't want your coat?
Wait, these are my gloves.
Honey.
No, but look.
Oh, those are old. Can you just wear these ones anyway? Or do you want to go down and find your
They're
other new
too
gloves?
tiny. Those ones are mine. No, they're not. They're the
Boys,
same
boys,
thing.
please. Go
There's one of
downstairs.
yours.
Cody, go downstairs and help him find the other
This
glove.
one, that one, no. This one is that. This one of yours has zippers.
And he has his boots. Run downstairs, put that back, and find your own gloves.
It's time for dinner. Why are you using a hatchet? Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I only use this.
Yeah? So what you gotta do now, Code, is take all the snow that you pushed out and throw it on top because it'll make it thicker. Okay, but we're gonna go in and get dinner because I'm starving. Let's go. I don't know, we'll see. Let's go. I'm watching, bro. I'm watching, bro. Go, bro. He said bro. Okay, let's go.
Here's the final meal. Joel, I'm ecstatic to eat.
I genuinely think this is the best beef I've ever cooked in my life. Oh, sorry, Olivia.
Ooh, you okay, Olivia? Just getting stepped on. Lady's
Separated all
dying.
bad stuff.
Wait, what?
Lady just, she's not actually dying. She just really wants to eat our food.
She likes also buco.
You okay?
No.
Well, she likes
What the heck? Wait, what happened?
I like was
stepped up
down.
Oh. We didn't even do anything special with the Brussels sprouts. So these are fantastic.
It's all about prep. I watched a video on it.
Oh my word. We just used a lot of olive oil on the pan, salt and pepper, and we cooked them long
And
enough.
you gotta cook them, you cut them in half and you gotta cook them face down.
The gravy,
Potatoes.
potatoes. Yep, Joel, this is a good dinner, and look what we have to our centerpiece.
You like it.
The gingerbread houses are gracing us with their beauty and presence. Beauty? They are, they're really pretty. I will wash because this is like, it's hard to wash the pans. You dry, Cody. You come put away. What is, oh, do you know what, boss? Why don't you hop on the piano? Okay. Get your books out. And I'm not sure how this is gonna work because I actually need to help him on the piano. Do you guys want to know what our dinner conversation was?
Oh,
It was, what was the worst, what?
what was our worst punishment?
Worst punishment, like the time we got in trouble, like the very most. It was entertaining to say the least.
Surprisingly, the times the kids thought they were in the worst trouble, they didn't get in the worst trouble.
Yeah, when they did the worst things is not when I was the most like upset. All right, hey guys, quiet for just a second. If you guys are not caught up with Vlogmas, I will leave a playlist in the description. And if you are caught up, you can go back and reminisce on our Elf on the Shelf videos, which I will also have in the description below. Oh, hey, guys. Okay, I just posted a picture on Instagram. If you go and comment on it, I am going to choose someone for what? Should I Venmo them something?
No. We will do.
I feel like I kind of forgot to do this throughout the year. So what did we do last time? 50 bucks? Okay, go comment. Go comment on
a present, remember?
Go comment on my Instagram, my most recent Instagram post. I will have a link for it below. And I will Venmo someone 50 bucks. Every time I walk into the room, this thing freaks me the heck out. I thought like a person was in here the other day. Oh, I don't know why I said the other day.
Much too good for lady. Okay. Mary.
Mary.
Bonnie. Don't. But you'll lose a limb.
Because of Christmas Day.
Okay.
What do you want?
It is, we are